In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the limits of Zapier's free plan. Whether you're a newcomer or an experienced user looking to optimize your workflows, understanding these boundaries can help you make the most out of what Zapier offers without spending a dime. Let's start with what Zapier is for those who might be unfamiliar. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and services, automating workflows without requiring you to have prior coding skills. It allows you to design these workflows, known as Zaps, to perform tasks automatically, thereby streamlining your daily operations. However, when utilizing the free plan, there are certain limits you'll need to keep in mind. Primarily, you are allowed to create and run up to 5 single-step Zaps. Single-step Zaps are essentially workflows that contain only one trigger and one action. For instance, if you wish to automatically save email attachments to Google Drive, that action would require only one trigger and one action, thus making it eligible under the free plan. These are perfect for straightforward tasks but lack the complexity needed for extended or multi-step processes. In terms of task limits, the free plan allows you to automate up to 100 tasks every month. Simply put, a task is a completed action within a Zap. If you have set up a Zap to move customer emails to a specific folder, every email transferred counts as one task. It's crucial to monitor your task consumption closely because exceeding this limit necessitates an upgrade to a paid plan, which comes with higher allowances. There is also the consideration of update time. On the free plan, Zapier checks for new data and triggers the corresponding Zaps every 15 minutes. While this might be sufficient for many use cases, if your workflows demand near real-time automation, you may encounter delays. Bear in mind that this is a significant distinction from Zapier's paid tiers, which offer faster polling times. One aspect to note is that support options are limited on the free plan. You have access to self-serve resources such as knowledge bases, community forums, and webinars, but direct support from Zapier's team is limited. For questions or issues beyond the basics, consider these resources essential for problem solving. Finally, despite these limits, the free plan is a fantastic starting point for exploring how automation can simplify your tasks. As you grow familiar with setting up Zaps, you might soon find that the constraints naturally guide you to delve deeper into more complex workflows. Remember, the key is to learn how to utilize the available features efficiently. With patience and creativity, even the free plan of Zapier can significantly enhance your productivity. If and when your automation needs expand, you can explore paid plans offering more Zaps, tasks, and faster performance to match your growing requirements. That wraps up today's session on Zapier's free plan limits. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy automating!